Hello friends, so in this tutorial I will talk about file operations. So we have these many options, so let's go through it one by one using shell scripting. Okay, so we'll check these options. So I'll open the desktop and I'll be checking for this file. Let's copy the path of this file. Okay, so what I'll do is, I'll check whether this directory exists or not. For that we have -d option. Directory exists. Now I'll check the file, whether this file exists or not. For that we have -f option, empty.txt. This is the file name. I'll copy these two things. File exists. It's a regular file, right? Regular file. Now I'll check whether this file exists or not. For that we have -e option. Exists. Now I'm gonna check the properties of the file. Read, write and execute permissions. We'll check this. We paste read, write, x. So for read we have R option. It has read permission. For W we have write. W stands for write permission. Write permission. Now I'll check for execute permission. So for that we have X. Now I'll check whether this file is empty or it has some data. So for that we have -s option. It has some data. I'll put else for this. Echo file is empty. Okay, now how many ifs we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, so I need to close 7 times. 5 for first one, 2 3 4 5 6 and last one is for 7. Save this file. Now we'll run this with -x option. So first one is to check the directory exists, then whether it's a regular file. Yeah, it's a regular file. Then this file exists. Yes, it exists. So this file has read permission, this file has write permission. Okay, let's run without -x. Okay, so these are the properties which we have checked. Okay, let's save this file. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll change the order of this. I'll put it here this one. Now let's run this. So we'll check whether this file is empty or it has some data. I'll clear this. Control X. Okay, so it shows file is empty. Okay, let's check the permissions. Says read and write. Read and write. Okay, so no execute permissions. Okay. Okay, friends. So this is all in this video. So please like, subscribe and comment, and thanks a lot for watching this video. I'll see you in the next tutorial.